Hi, this is section 2.9, checkpoint 2.9 from section 2.2. They want us to use this method to find the volume of solid revolution generated by rotating the region between the graph. Y is equal to X, or X is equal to Y. That's basically what that is. X is equal to Y, and the Y-axis, and we want to go from the interval from 1 to 4. So we're looking at this region in here, and we're going to rotate it about the y-axis. So rotate it about the y-axis. Well, you can kind of see that figure already. It looks like it's a cone that's been truncated on the top. So let's stop here. And we see that figure that's been rotated. And like usual, we're going to want to get our cross-sectional cuts, which means if we make our slice here, we're going to get circles, discs, circles with little thickness. We'll look at it head on and see that the area is going to be, well, not a surprise, pi r squared, which means we just need to figure out what this r is. And since we're hopping along the y, we're going to hit a thickness of delta y, and so we're going to want to express our area as a function of y, which means we're going to want to express our r as a function of y. That's r squared there. So now we have to backtrack and take a look at what's going on here. It looks like it's going to be this distance here. So let's clear this up a little bit. And we're looking at this distance here, which is an x distance, if you want to look at it that way. But x is equal to y, so we want our function as a function of y. So then we're going to replace our r with just y. Okay, and I think that's it. We got our limits of integration from 1 to 4. Our thickness is delta y. We have our area expressed as a function of y. So we should be ready to go. Our volume is going to be the integral from 1 to 4 of pi and then y squared. So this is going to be pi integral from 1 to 4 y squared dy. Don't forget the dy. And the antiderivative is going to be a 1/3 y to the 3rd power. We add 1 to divide by that same number. We're going to integrate from 1 to 4. And so we have pi. Put 4 in there. That's going to be 64 divided by 3. And we put 1 in there. That's just 1. And 64 minus 1, same denominator. It's going to be pi times 63 over 3. And I think that's 21 pi. All right. Okay. Good luck.